DOKBUKKI, Korean street food, and these are the ingredients. So this is the hot pepper paste, and it looks like this. So when you add this, don't put so much because this is really spicy. You can buy this in Chino shops or Korean shop, any Asian shops, but I don't think in Filipino shop has it. And also, for the noodles, any kind of noodles, just don't put the seasoning inside. Just only this, only the noodle you need. And this is the ready-made rice cake, ready-made. I bought that in Chino as well. You need a onion, and I'm going to put this. I will cut in slices, thin slices, and I want to put also a calabacin or calabasa, the small calabasa, but not all of this. And I want to try to put also a bit of sweet corn. So let's see. I'll start to make it now. So, and first we will do is to cut this, of course, the onion and this and this, and fry a little. So we cut now. So we're going to fry first the onions and then the calabacin and the carrots.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
rice cake is